addition to Camp Cove. You want to go in there and have a bit of an inspection? The Parsley Bay? Okay. Kids jumping. There's scoops. I'm glad we saw that because we would have gone straight past it. So the next stop would be where Little Miss Eastern Suburbs. There's another beach, right? Okay, let's go there. The towing experiment pays off here. Let's go, baby. Does it seem like a burden? This is great. I don't have to do any paddling. Got my little engine running here. I'm a genius. Can you go a bit faster, please? I'm such a shit stirrer. I apologise. I'll never do it again. Apparently this is Vaucluse Bay. We're so far out I can't really recognise it. And hey, you want to hold this while I go for a quick dip? Is it on? Most refreshing. Wow, I just got freaking attacked by seagulls. I've never had a seagull attack me before. It's like, that boat looks abandoned and they look like they're being very territorial. I've never seen that before. Look, here comes. Get away from me. Look. We freaking dive bombed. All right, let's get out of these parts. We're not welcome here. See you later, guys. How bizarre. That was the Alfred Hitchcock level attack. I've only ever seen seagulls attack other seagulls, but not humans. Humans were warned off. There's a whole gang of seagulls over there. These guys seem more relaxed than the psychotic ones. That boat over there. Park. This is the easiest way to get a park and get a spot on Neilsen Park because it's insane on a day like today. The crowds, and they've just fixed it up. So they've put new concrete in, so it should be fun paddling in there. I'll just do a quick dip. Okay. Had a challenge. The challenge is I'm going to go for a little swim in this little... It's almost like their own private ocean swimming area.
Quickly, hurry up.
You said it's a little bit wet. Okay, you got it. Oh shit. Oh shit. That was a very dignified exit. You need to, when you come back, you need to try and lay on top of it and then straddle it like a horse. It's going to be interesting, folks. Well, I can't. She's dragging both of us over there. Okay, let's go. Have a go. Put your boobs in there where it says caution. Don't try to stare. Quick. Oh fuck. Well done. Sweet. Okay, I'm getting a bit close to the rocks here. Actually, I'm on the rock. Yeah, let's go. We're just going to get through this little channel here. It's got around this point here and a lot of water moving around. In the distance, Neilsen Park. It's pumping. I reckon it's going to be worse by about 1 o'clock. There's just so many people, and you can never get parking here. I've been to a few weddings and functions at that little tea house in the middle. This is a Shark Beach, Neilsen Park. It's just being renovated. It's taken about 4 years, and people are enjoying it today. Put the paddle board and the kayak over there, above the waterline. Okay, I've started the sup timer to track our journey back. Here we go. Bit offshore here, coming around this sketchy point again. Oh, wait. Survival suite. And we are 12 minutes in from our departure. I think we just hugged the shore a bit. There's a bit of weather out there, hey? Another beach north of Gibson's, 23 minutes in, so under half an hour to get paddle from Neilsen Park to Vaucluse, sorry, to Watson's Bay. Weekend lessons, and we are back at Gibson's Beach. Weather's changed a little bit, not as smooth. Collision. All done.